Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sree here. I'm a practicing doctor and a high altitude trekker. I've done a number of treks in India and Nepal. Today we're going to talk about a very important yet rarely discussed topic. That's trekking with your periods. I've noticed a lot of women have reservations about trekking while on their periods. This is also because of socio-cultural factors in India. We've been taught a lot since childhood that doing a lot of heavy exercise or a lot of exertion on your periods is not good. This is totally a myth. It's completely fine to trek on your periods. As a woman and a trekker, I have trekked multiple times with my periods and I've been able to manage it just fine. I've not faced any problems whatsoever. A number of my friends also have gone on many treks and they have not faced any issues while trekking on their periods. I've noticed that a lot of women have 4 major issues when it comes to trekking with their periods. The first thing is they have a lot of pain during their cycles and they wonder how to manage this on a Himalayan trek. If you have a lot of pain during your cycle, you can do the same thing that you do in the city on a trek as well. You can take a hot water bottle, fill it up with hot water once you reach the campsite, and lie down with it near your back for a little while in your tent. This really helps in alleviating the cramps. If your pain is too severe, then you can take any NSAID like ibuprofen or even meftal-spas. The second most common issue that people face is that they have heavy bleeding and they wonder how they can manage this on a Himalayan trek. If you have heavy bleeding, the first thing you need to remember is to carry a lot of menstrual hygiene product with you, whether it's tampons or menstrual sanitary napkins or a menstrual cup. One of the most important things I'd like to mention here is that you have to be very careful while disposing your menstrual products back in the mountains. Do not dispose them in the toilet pits. Sanitary napkins and tampons are not biodegradable. Carry plenty of Ziploc covers or newspapers, wrap them in newspapers, put them in the Ziploc covers and then bring them down to the cities where you can dispose them off easily. So as a doctor and as a woman who's trekked with her periods, I would strongly not recommend taking hormonal pills to postpone your periods. Quite apart from not being exactly healthy for you, these can wreak havoc on your cycles and not only affect the current cycle, but also for many more months to come. We've covered everything about trekking while on your periods. If you have any specific questions, drop in a comment or write to Dr. Sree at @Indiahikes.com.